everyone, and welcome back to Mr. Learn English, the channel where learning English is easy and fun. I'm Emily.
Hello, Emily. Hello, everyone. It's great to be here today. I'm Josh. How are you doing today, Emily?
I'm feeling wonderful, Josh. I've got my coffee, a big smile, and lots of energy to talk about something important. How about you?
I'm doing great. Thank you. I feel ready too. Because today we have a really big topic. It's something that everyone needs to hear, especially when learning English feels hard.
Oh, I like big topics. What are we talking about today?
Today's topic is don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.
Ooh, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. That's powerful.
Yes, it's a strong message, but also a kind one. It's not about working too hard, it's about finishing what you start, even when it feels difficult.
I love that. It's such an important lesson, not only for English, but for life. For work, for goals, for even small things like cleaning your room.
Exactly. But before we get started, we just want to say thank you. Thank you for being here, for listening, and for learning with us.
Yes, we're so happy you're part of our Mr. Learn English family. And if you enjoy learning with us, please click like and subscribe. It helps our channel a lot and lets us make more lessons like this one. And don't forget to share this episode with your friends and family, especially anyone who needs a little motivation to keep going with their English.
Yes, thank you so much, everyone. Now, let's begin. Don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done. So, Emily, what does tired really mean?
Tired means my eyes feel heavy, my body feels slow, I want my bed, my pillow, my sofa. It's when your energy is low and you just want to rest.
That's exactly it. You're sleepy, your brain feels full, you want to stop and relax.
Yes, and what about done?
Done means finished, complete, ready, the job is over.
Right. We can say, my homework is done, my project is done, my dinner is done. Done means you completed something.
So the message means don't stop just because you feel tired, stop when you finish what you started.
That's right. And that's not easy. It takes self-control. But it's one of the most powerful habits you can build.
I agree. Let's think about learning English.
Good idea. Learning English takes time. It's not something you finish in a day or even a month.
No, it's a long journey. You listen, you read, you practice, and sometimes your brain says, enough, I can't do any more.
Yes, I know that feeling. Sometimes I read a few pages in English and my brain feels full. Page 1, okay. Page 2, okay. Page 3. I start yawning.
Yes, and that's when the sofa starts calling your name.
Exactly, and my brain says, just stop. Watch something easy instead.
But then you have to ask yourself, am I tired or am I just not done yet?
Oh, I like that question. Am I tired or just not done yet?
Because if the chapter isn't finished or the lesson isn't complete, stopping now only gives you half the result.
That's true. You rest, but later you feel guilty.
Yes, you relax, but you don't feel proud.
Right, you're tired and disappointed.
Exactly. But when you finish, even a small goal, you're tired and proud. And that's a great feeling.
Yes, tired and happy is much better than tired and sad.
So maybe the secret is to make smaller goals.
Yes, I agree. Sometimes study English sounds too big. It feels heavy, but study English for 10 minutes. That's something we can do.
Exactly. 10 minutes feels possible. You say to yourself, I'm tired, but I can do 10 minutes.
Yes, small goals make big progress.
You do 10 minutes, you read, you listen, you practice, and then you finish.
And then you feel good because you're done.
Right? You're tired, but you're done.
And that small success gives you motivation for next time.
Yes, and sometimes after 10 minutes, you realize you have energy for 10 more.
That's true. Once you start, It's easier to keep going. Starting is always the hardest part.
Exactly. Okay, let's think about something else. Exercise.
Exercise, oh yes.
Do you like exercise, Emily?
I like walking. I walk almost every day.
That's great. Walking is one of the best exercises and it gives you time to think too.
Yes, I like to walk in the park. My goal is to walk for 30 minutes every day.
30 minutes. That's a nice goal.
The first 5 minutes are easy. 10 minutes, still good. 15 minutes, I start to feel tired.
I know that moment. You look around and suddenly you see a nice chair, a bench, and it's calling your name.
Yes, the bench says, Emily, sit down, take a rest.
And it sounds so nice.
So nice, and I think maybe I'll stop now.
But what's your goal?
30 minutes.
And how long have you walked?
15 minutes.
So you're halfway there, not done yet.
Right. And that's the moment where you decide. That moment matters.
Yes, that's the moment where you can choose tired and proud or tired and disappointed.
Exactly. So I tell myself, Emily, keep going, maybe slower, but keep moving.
Yes, you don't have to run, just take smaller steps.
And I walk slowly. 20 minutes, 25, and then finally 30.
Done.
Yes, done. And I feel so proud.
You should. That's a big win.
Now I can sit on the bench, and this time it feels different.
Because now the bench is not an escape, it's a reward.
Yes, the bench feels amazing because I earned it. That's such an important idea. Rest is not bad, but it should come after the work is done.
Yes, rest is the prize, not the excuse.
Exactly.
Let's take another example, one that almost everyone knows the kitchen.
Ah, yes, the kitchen.
After dinner, I cook, I eat, I feel happy and full, and then I look around. The food was great, but now there are plates, glasses, forks, and pots everywhere.
Oh no, the kitchen mess.
Yes, and I feel tired. I look at the kitchen and I think, maybe I'll clean it tomorrow.
Ah, the famous tomorrow.
Yes, tomorrow sounds easy, but it's a trap. Because when I wake up in the morning, the kitchen is still dirty.
The dishes are still there. The pots are still there. And my happy morning becomes a sad morning.
Exactly. You start your day already stressed.
Yes, that's the worst feeling. So now, when I finish dinner, even when I'm tired, I tell myself, no, not tomorrow, now.
Good choice.
I wash the plates. I wash the glasses. I wipe the table. It takes maybe 20 minutes, but when I'm done, I look at my clean kitchen and I feel proud.
Yes, that proud feeling is worth the work.
It really is. I sit on the sofa. I feel tired, but I smile.
And the sofa feels so much better now.
It's the best sofa in the world.
Exactly. Because now you're resting with peace, not with guilt.
Yes, that's the key difference. The hard choice, cleaning now, gives you a happy feeling later. And the easy choice, tomorrow, gives you a sad feeling later.
Yes, you said it perfectly. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done. It's about creating a good feeling after the work.
Exactly. It's about being proud of yourself, even for small things.
You know, this idea is simple, but it's not easy.
That's true. Why do you think it's so hard for us to keep going?
Because our brain loves comfort.
Comfort. Yes, the sofa is comfortable, the bed is comfortable, the phone is comfortable.
Exactly. And hard work doesn't feel comfortable.
No, it doesn't. Our brain says, stop, go relax, you deserve it.
Yes, but that voice is sneaky. Because comfort now usually means no progress later.
That's true. When we always choose comfort, we stop moving forward.
Yes, and progress is what makes us happy.
Progress, that's a good word. What does it mean exactly?
Progress means moving forward, improving, getting better than before.
Progress is like when you can understand more English than last month.
Exactly. Progress is finishing your 30-minute walk, not just 15.
Progress is finally cleaning the kitchen, even when you didn't feel like it.
Yes, and progress gives you pride. It gives you that feeling of, I did something today.
And that feeling builds confidence.
Right. When you make progress, even a little, you start to believe in yourself more.
So, comfort now gives short happiness, but progress gives long happiness.
That's exactly right. Work now, happy later.
I like that. Work now, happy later. Okay, but sometimes I feel so tired that I don't know how to push myself. What can I do in that moment?
Good question. I have 3 secrets for that.
Oh, 3 secrets. I love secrets.
Secret number 1, remember your goal.
Your goal.
Yes. Why did you start in the first place? What's the reason behind your effort?
For me, I started learning English because I want to travel. I want to meet new people, see new places, talk to people in English.
Exactly. So when you feel tired, don't think about your tired body. Think about your reason, your goal, your dream.
So I should think, I'm tired, but I want to travel. I want to talk to people.
Yes, focus on the future, not on the tiredness.
Okay, secret number 1. Remember your goal. What's secret number 2?
Secret number 2, make the step small.
Small steps.
Yes, don't say, I must study English for 3 hours. That's too big.
Yes, too big. I'll fall asleep after 15 minutes.
Me too. Instead, say, I'll study for 15 minutes or I'll learn 5 new words.
That sounds so much easier.
Exactly. A small step is easy to start, and once you start, it's easier to continue.
Yes, sometimes after 15 minutes, you find more energy.
Exactly. You say, okay, maybe 10 more minutes. Small steps make a big journey.
I love that sentence. Small steps make a big journey.
It's true. Even mountains are climbed step by step.
Beautiful. Okay, what's secret number 3?
Secret number 3 is the prize.
The prize. I like this one already.
Me too. The prize is your reward after the work.
Like the sofa after cleaning.
Yes, the sofa, the cup of coffee, the favorite show, or even just a few minutes of quiet rest.
I love prizes. My prize is coffee. After studying, I make myself a really good cup and sit by the window.
That sounds nice. My prize is music. After I walk, I put on my favorite playlist and just relax.
Perfect. The prize helps you finish the task. It gives your brain something to look forward to.
Yes, it's like saying to yourself, when I'm done, I get something nice.
Exactly. And it works every time.
So, to remember, number 1, remember your goal. Number 2, make small steps. Number 3, reward yourself after.
That's how you stop when you're done, not when you're tired.
Yes, that's how you build discipline.
I feel motivated already.
You look motivated too.
Thank you. And I hope everyone listening feels it too.
Yes, because all of you listening are strong. Learning English is not easy. It's a big journey, and sometimes you feel slow or tired or frustrated.
Yes, but remember, even small steps are progress. Every word you learn, every sentence you practice, every video you listen to, it all matters.
Exactly. Even 5 minutes a day is moving forward.
And when you finish a small goal, celebrate it.
Yes, say to yourself, I did it.
Yes, give yourself a little prize. Maybe listen to your favorite English song.
That's a great one because you're still learning and having fun at the same time.
Yes, keep going. Don't stop. You can do this.
We believe in you.
Yes, we really do. Wow, Josh, this was such a great talk. I feel ready to clean, to study, to walk, to do everything.
Good. I feel ready to finish my to-do list too.
This message is so simple, but so important. Don't stop when you're tired. Stop when you're done.
Exactly. That's how we grow.
Well, that's all the time we have for today. Thank you so much for listening to Mr. Learn English.
Yes, thank you everyone. We hope this gave you a little extra motivation today.
And if you like this episode, please subscribe and give it a big like. It really helps us grow.
And we have a question for you.
Yes, in the comments, tell us one small goal you will finish this week.
Oh, good question. Will you finish a lesson? Will you clean your room? Will you go for a walk?
Let us know in the comments. We love reading what you write.
Yes, keep going, everyone. You're doing great.
We'll see you in the next episode. Bye bye.
Bye, and remember, don't stop when you're tired, stop when you're done.